Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. I'm so happy to have you here today with me. Whether you're joining live or watching the replay, I want you to know this is a calm, real, and supportive space. There's no hype, no pressure, just honest conversations about income, choices, and freedom. If you're watching live, pop no time, no dash time in the comments to get my freebie. No time, no money, no problem. And also so that I can say hello to you. If you're catching the replay, drop the replay, and I would love to acknowledge you too. Now, a very welcome to my regular viewers. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, Belinda, Peter, Cheryl, and all those guys. I really do appreciate that you are joining me. Let's make money. Now, for those who are new here, welcome too. My name is Lynette Barnors. I'm based in Vanderbijlpark, South Africa, and for the past 10 years, I've been helping everyday people, professionals, entrepreneurs, and business owners understand how to create recurring income online in a realistic and sustainable way. There's no selling, no stocking, no pushing products, just education, systems, and long-term thinking. Before we dive in, I want to set the expectations right. Today's session is about educational in nature, designed to raise awareness and meant to help you think differently about income models. This is not financial advice, and I'm not making any income guarantees or promises. My intention is simply to help you make confident, informed decisions about your financial future. So let's talk about today's topic. You are not broke. You are just using an income model that no longer works. Let me repeat it. You are not broke. You are just using an income model that no longer works. This is such an important conversation because so many people quietly carry guilt and stress around money. They think, I must be doing something wrong. Why can't I get ahead? Why does it feel like no matter how hard I work, it's never enough? But what if the issue isn't your effort? What if the issue is the model you were taught to rely on? But let's look at the traditional income model. Most of us grew up believing one main rule: trade your time for money. You work a certain number of hours. You earn a fixed income. And that income stops when the hours stop. This model isn't bad, it's just limited. And in today's world, those limitations are becoming more obvious. Salaries are capped. Expenses keep increasing. Job security isn't guaranteed. And time is finite. Many people are working harder than ever, yet feeling more stuck than ever. That's not a personal failure. That's a structural limitation. Let's slow this part down a bit because this is where so many people have those aha moments. Most of us were raised with a very clear message about money. Not so? From young age, we were taught, go to school, get good qualifications, find a stable job, work hard, earn a salary. And for a long time, this system worked reasonably well. I know my father and my father-in-law did very well, but they were working in the previous millennium, not in today's time. things have changed, and what was working in those times is not working anymore. We need to adapt. We need to realize that things have changed. So let me be clear. There is nothing wrong with a job or having a job. Jobs play an important role in society, and we always need jobs. There will always be people who must mow the lawn and clean the dishes and do the physical work. That will be always there. But that is finite. These computers and mechanics take over all these jobs in any case, so they can use fewer people to do the same job. Jobs play a very important role in society. They provide structure, experience, and often a sense of purpose. The issue is not employment. The issue is that for most people, employment is the only income model they were ever shown. We don't know anything else. But let's look at how the traditional model actually works. The traditional income model is based on one simple exchange. You change or trade your time and skills for money. You work a set number of hours and you receive a fixed amount of income. And that income is directly tied to your physical presence and effort. If you take time off, get sick, need a break, or stop working, your income either reduces or stops completely. This model has a built-in ceiling, and that ceiling is time. No matter how motivated, skilled, or hard-working you are, there are only so many hours in a day. The hidden limitations people don't talk about. Let's talk about that. What many people don't realize is that this model comes with invisible limits. Let's look at a few of them. First, your income is capped. Your salary usually has a limit. Increases are annual, performance-based, or dependent on company decisions. You don't have full control over your earnings potential. Sometimes you have no control. Secondly, time is non-renewable. You can earn more money, but you can't create more time. This often leads to burnout, stress, long working hours. Number 3, effort resets every month. Each pay cycle starts from zero. You work again and again and again just to maintain the same income. There's no carryover effect. Now, why does this create pressure? This is where many people begin to feel trapped, even if they like their jobs. They realize if expenses go up, they must work more. If they want more freedom, they must sacrifice income. If they slow down, money slows down, and slowly stress creeps in. Not because they are irresponsible, but because the model offers no leverage. Side hustles often repeat the same model. Many people try to fix this by adding side hustles, weekend work, freelance gigs. But here's the problem. Most side hustles are still time for money. You exchange time for money, effort dependent, and capped by hours. So instead of freedom, people end up busier and more exhausted. Again, that isn't failure. It is simply repeating the same structure in a different form. Now, why this model no longer fits modern life is because the world has changed. Costs rise faster than salaries. Jobs are less secure. Families need flexibility. Time has become more valuable than ever. Yet, Many people are still using an income model designed for a very different era. That's why today's conversation matters so much. Because if you are using a model that no longer fits modern life, it doesn't mean you're broke. It means that the model needs updating. And this brings us to the key realization of today's Freedom Friday. I can't even say the word realization of today's Freedom Friday. You're not broke, you're just using an income model that no longer works. Once you understand this, something powerful happens. Your guilt disappears, clarity increases, and new options become visible. And from here, we start shifting the conversation to modern income models, especially recurring income, because these models are designed for the world we're living in today. Now, this is where it gets real. Let's talk about why effort alone is no longer enough. And this is where many hardworking people start feeling frustrated. Not because they are lazy, not because they are failing, but because the rules of the game have changed. People add overtime, side hustles, weekend work, yet they still feel overwhelmed and exhausted. And here's the truth I want you to hear today. Hard work is valuable, but hard work alone doesn't change a broken structure. I want to repeat that. Hard work is valuable. You need it. But hard work alone doesn't change a broken structure. If your income always resets to zero each month, you're constantly starting over. You start at zero, work the month, then get your pay, then you start at zero, work the month, then every month you start at zero. That's why so many capable, disciplined people still feel financially stressed. Let's talk honestly about effort for a moment. Because if effort was the deciding factor, many of the people watching this today would already be financially free. Not so? Think about it. There are people who wake up before sunrise, commute long distances, work full days, come home exhausted, still take care of their families, and repeat this cycle week after week after week. These are not lazy people. These are disciplined, responsible, hard-working individuals. So when money still feels tight, the emotional impact is heavy. People start asking, what am I doing wrong? Why is it still not enough? Why am I chasing the next payday? The emotional cost of always doing more. Effort alone creates pressure when the system doesn't change. Many people respond to financial stress by taking overtime, adding weekend work, starting a side hustle, cutting rest and family time. At first, it feels proactive. But over time, something happens. Exhaustion increases, motivation drops, health suffers, and joy disappears. And yet the income still depends on continuous effort. That's not sustainable, emotionally or physically. But why more effort doesn't equal more progress? And here's the key insight. In many traditional income models, effort does not accumulate. Each month, you start from zero. You work to maintain the same income, and nothing carries over into the next cycle, from this cycle into the next cycle. So even if you work harder, you're often just running faster on the same treadmill. There's motion, but not much progress. The ceiling nobody warned us about. Another reason about alone falls short is because of the built-in ceilings. Another reason effort alone falls short is because of building in ceilings. You can only work so many hours, take on so many clients, manage so much stress. At some point, effort hits a limit. And that's a fact. Not because of lack of ambition, because you are human. And once you hit that ceiling, the only option are sacrifice health, sacrifice time, or accept financial pressure. That's a difficult place to be in. Why this isn't a personal failure? This is where I really want you to hear me out today. In effort alone isn't working for you. It doesn't mean you are irresponsible, you lack discipline, or you didn't try hard enough. It simply means you are using an income structure that doesn't reward effort beyond a certain point. That's not about motivation, that's about design. The missing piece is leverage. What's missing in this traditional income models is leverage. Leverage simply means your effort can continue working after the work is done. Your results aren't limited to hours worked, and progress can compound over time. Without leverage, effort is constantly reset. With leverage, effort has a carry-over effect. So instead of asking, how can I work harder? A more empowering question is, how can I work within a system that allows my effort to grow? That shift changes everything. It removes guilt, it restores hope, and it opens the door to smarter, more sustainable income models. And this is why recurring income matters so much. Not because it's easy, not because it's guaranteed, but because it is designed to reward consistency, not exhaustion. Once you understand this, you stop blaming yourself and start upgrading the model. But let me introduce you now to a different way of thinking. Let's gently explore an alternative. A modern income model focuses on systems, structure, and income that can repeat over time. This is often referred to as recurring income. Recurring income doesn't mean instant success, guaranteed results, or effortless money. It simply means your effort can continue working after the work is done. Think memberships, think platforms, think systems designed to grow gradually. This is the model many global businesses use, and it's becoming more accessible to everyday people. But why does this shift matter? This conversation matters because of real life. Parents with limited time, employees with fixed salaries, business owners with unpredictable income. Recurring income isn't about replacing responsibility, it's about creating balance. It's about having something that supports you alongside your main income, not instead of it. For me, this journey started with curiosity and a desire for stability. Over time, I learned that financial freedom isn't about big risks, flashy lifestyles, or overnight results. It's about consistency, education, and choosing systems that align with your life. That's why I now guide people through a hybrid financial platform that focus on long-term sustainability and responsible income building. I'm doing it for 10 years and it truly changed my life. Now, I was one of those lucky people who was retrenched when I was 45. My husband was 50. And in 29 years, we couldn't find jobs. Yet we are now financially active and we are looking at for ourselves. We don't rely on the children. And that is the magic of building your own income. If this conversation resonates with you, I've created a free educational guide called No Time, No Money, No Problem. It's designed to help you understand different income models, explore recurring income safely, and see what's possible at your own pace. And you can access it here on my website, https://go.lynettebaardnors.com/no time. I spell it, my name, go.lynette, LINNETBADENHORST.com/no dash time. And you will get it for free. Check it out. It's yours. Now, if you're watching live or the replay, simply comment no time and I'll send the guide to you. If you enjoy these Freedom Friday sessions and you want more ongoing guidance, head over to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery. I share weekly insights, mindset shifts, and practical education to help you build income responsibly and confidently. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell so that you never miss a session. Thank you so much for joining me on my Freedom Friday. And a special word of welcome again to Belinda and Mama Gloria and Exola. And I saw other people as well there. I can't see all their names, but welcome and well done for supporting me. Thank you so much for joining me on this Freedom Friday. Remember this, you are not behind, you are not failing, you are simply learning new ways to move forward. Sometimes freedom starts with one realization. It's not you, it's the model. Start where you are, stay consistent, and take one confident step at a time. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent, and remember, build once, earn over time. Bye for now.